The 12 must-visit destinations in Switzerland. Greetings, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of the world. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the breathtaking landscapes and charming towns of Switzerland. From towering mountains to serene lakes, Switzerland has something for every type of traveler. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 12 must-visit destinations in Switzerland. Our first stop on this Swiss adventure is none other than Zermatt, home to the iconic Matterhorn. This picturesque Alpine village offers world-class skiing in the winter and exhilarating hiking trails in the summer. A ride on the Gornergrat Railway provides awe-inspiring views of the Matterhorn and surrounding peaks. Accommodation options range from cozy chalets to luxury resorts, with prices starting at around $150 per night. Next up, we're heading to Lucerne, a city known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and stunning lakeside setting. Take a stroll across the historic Chapel Bridge, visit the Lion Monument, and don't miss the opportunity to cruise on Lake Lucerne. Accommodation in Lucerne can be found for as low as $100 per night, making it a budget-friendly option for travelers. Our third destination takes us to Interlaken, the adventure capital of Switzerland. Nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, Interlaken offers a plethora of outdoor activities. From paragliding and skydiving to canyon jumping and hiking, thrill seekers will find plenty to do here, and accommodation prices start at around $80 per night for budget travelers. Moving on, we find ourselves in the charming town of Montreux, nestled on the shores of Lake Geneva. Montreux is famous for its annual jazz festival and its stunning lakeside promenade. Be sure to visit Chillon Castle, a medieval fortress that sits on a rocky island just off the shore. Accommodation options in Montreux range from boutique hotels to cozy bed and breakfasts, with prices starting at $120 per night. Our fifth destination is the enchanting village of Lauterbrunnen, often referred to as the Valley of Waterfalls. Surrounded by towering cliffs and cascading waterfalls, Lauterbrunnen is a paradise for nature lovers. Take a ride on the Jungfrau Railway to the top of Europe, or hike to the stunning Staubach Falls. Accommodation in Lauterbrunnen starts at around $90 per night. Next, we venture to the city of Basel, located on the banks of the Rhine River, near the borders of France and Germany. Basel is known for its vibrant cultural scene, with world-class museums, galleries, and theaters. Explore the historic Old Town, visit the Basel Minster, and don't miss the Fondation Beiler Art Museum. Accommodation in Basel starts at around $110 per night. Next on our list is the vibrant city of Zurich, Switzerland's largest city and financial hub. Despite its modern facade, Zurich has a rich history and plenty of cultural attractions to explore. Wander through the charming old town, visit the Kunsthaus Zurich Art Museum, and indulge in some shopping along Bahnhofstrasse. Accommodation in Zurich ranges from budget hostels to luxury hotels, with prices starting at $80 per night. Our ninth destination is the picturesque town of Stetti. Moritz, a playground for the rich and famous nestled in the Swiss Alps. Known for its world-class skiing, luxurious hotels, and vibrant nightlife, Stetti Moritz is the epitome of Alpine glamour. In the summer, enjoy hiking, mountain biking, and water sports on Lake Stetti Moritz. Accommodation in Stetti Moritz can be pricey, with prices starting at $200 per night. Next, we're off to the scenic region of Lake Geneva, where we find the charming town of Lausanne. Set on three hills overlooking the lake, Lausanne is known for its medieval old town, vibrant cultural scene, and stunning waterfront. Visit the Olympic Museum, stroll through the Flan district, and take in the panoramic views from Savabellen Tower. Accommodation in Lausanne starts at around $90 per night. Our penultimate destination is the picturesque village of Wengen, perched high above the Lauterbrunnen Valley. Accessible only by train, Wengen offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. In the winter, it's a paradise for skiers, while summer brings opportunities for hiking and mountain biking. Accommodation options in Wengen start at around $120 per night. Last, but certainly not least, we have the stunning Swiss National Park, located in the eastern part of the country. Established in 1914, this pristine wilderness is home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, including ibex, chamois, and golden eagles. Explore over 100 kilometers of hiking trails, marvel at the breathtaking landscapes, and immerse yourself in nature. Accommodation near the Swiss National Park can be found in nearby towns, with prices starting at $70 per night. And there you have it, fellow travelers, the 12 must-visit destinations in Switzerland. Whether you're seeking adventure in the mountains, culture in the cities, or tranquility in nature, Switzerland has something to offer everyone. So pack your bags, book your tickets, and embark on the journey of a lifetime in the stunning Alpine paradise. Until next time, happy travels.